everybody, out for a little ride today. Gonna be riding out to O22 to Caddis and get on 22 west till we hit 800 and go 800 north. Then we're gonna hit, I think it's about 799, but the one goes up past Clendening. We'll go Clendening by Clendening and then up to Deerfield and over that way to Denison, the back roads, and then stop at Adventure Harley-Davidson and see what's going on there. Just need to get out for a little bit. Work picked up and the weather has been rainy and cold and it just seems like we haven't been able to get out for a while. Been working on the videos, trying to get them up. I'm getting close to getting all the ones for March. Then I got April. May I don't have too many right now, but at the end of the month should have a lot of them. We're pretty well set to go to New England State. Been on my little bucket list, so as long as we can get gas and get out, we should be fine. sharing that gas. She might be sticking around a little bit longer. Right now it doesn't seem to be affecting us up here. I was a little concerned about the trip at the end of the month, because I heard that the pipeline was fuel gas up to the New England states.